Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'm just gonna do a quick discussion, and that's not a topic discussion but a general discussion with all of you. And as the CSIR net exam result for the last CSIR net exam has been declared, so many of the students have got good marks. They have got good rank too in the exam. So in that case, there are even many other students, those who have attempted the exam and they have scored good but were not able to clear the cutoff. Okay, their marks are close to the cutoff marks done. Along with that, there are some of the students, those who have not scored as they were expecting, and that's how they are not satisfied with their result. Okay, so in that case, guys, now you all will have some of the thoughts regarding your preparation, some of the thoughts in your mind that you have given your 100% or you were trying your best and all. So there can be different situation with different students. Okay, in that case, guys, one thing we are gonna discuss here, that what actually you should do at this point of time once you are having your last exam result in front of you. And there will be many students, those who are preparing for the upcoming exam. Okay, they can even watch this video because I'm going to tell you some of the things which can even be helpful for you guys. So basically, guys, as per the situation, as per whatever you are thinking right now for the previous exam, the first thing you need to do, you need to tell yourself, or just let like yourself know this thing, that is, guys, maybe your preparation, okay, somewhere you need to improve, or you are having one more opportunity in front of you, we can say. Okay, or this time you need to improve more, you need to do more better. Okay, and for that you have to start today. Don't just keep on thinking about the things, how you have prepared, what you have done last time. There can be one analysis you can do, but after doing the analysis, and whenever you are doing that analysis, keep a notebook and pen with you. Okay, so that whatever analysis you are gonna do, how you are considering the things, okay, note it down once, and then after that stop thinking about the previous things or what others are saying, what others will say about the result or anything like that. Because normally, maybe not everyone, but with some of the students this can be the situation, that this thing affect them a lot, that what others will say. Okay, what their relatives will say, what their neighbors will say, what the other person will say. So don't consider what others are saying, what others will say, because what you are doing, that you know, you were putting your 100% efforts, that you know. But still, that means in life you need to work a little more to achieve that thing right now, and that right time, it will come soon. Okay, but right now if you will stop working for your dreams, for achieving that aim, okay, then in that case you may not be able to get it. But if you will not stop and you will keep on working to get and to achieve that aim, guys, you will surely get that, or you will even get something better in the future. Okay, but know one thing, that instead of thinking about the last exam, the situation you had at that time, okay, or anything like that which is not giving you a good feeling regarding your preparation or regarding your efforts, stop doing that. Okay, stop just sitting like that and just thinking about the things, just thinking about others and all. Don't do that, it's not gonna work for you, it's not gonna give you success in future. If you want to be successful, already you have done your preparation till one particular level, you just need to make a little bit improvement in it. Okay, so right now start working for your dreams. And if somewhere you are getting, after doing the analysis, that okay, this is the point where I need to work, this is the point which was the weak point for me for this last exam, just start working on that point and get more closer to success. Okay, so I just wanted to make this video once you had your exam results declared. Okay, so now it's here, and I hope it's gonna be helpful, guys. Also remember, you are the best as you are, and as you are doing your efforts to get your like aim to reach to that goal which you have made for yourself. Remember, you are doing it for yourself, you are doing it, and it will be yours completely. Okay, yes, it will give the happiness to the people, those who want you to grow in life, to reach to a very good level. Okay, so it this thing will even give them happiness, this thing will matter for them too. But with your efforts in future, in the upcoming exam, you can do very, 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 very much better. And with all that improvement which you will do in the upcoming days, in upcoming months, okay, it will be with you throughout your life. Clear? So don't just sit, or don't just keep on thinking about the past. Move on, and also start working for achieving that goal in future. Okay, if you will stop working today, then you will not be able to get it. But if you will keep on working, if you will keep on doing your efforts, if you will do the things in a more innovative way, okay, more interesting manner, you will enjoy this journey further. Okay, that is learning new concepts and even improving more. Okay, so maybe God has planned something more better for you, and soon you will be able to get that thing. Okay, maybe you will be familiar with it, what it is, but there is even a possibility you don't know what it is. Okay, and it can be something very, very, very good and amazing. So remember, you are the best. Okay, whatever you want to get in life, whatever you want to achieve, you can do that. But for that, you have to make your strategies, you have to make your plans, you have to do the efforts. And when you are ready to do that, like, it will be all yours. Okay, and just work in the right direction. Clear? And just try to stay happy, try to be positive, and that's how the things will be more simple, quite easy for you in life. Okay, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. We will have more important videos on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Soon I will upload more important videos for all of you. Okay, and congratulations to all the students, those who have scored good in the last exam. And even, guys, all the best to all the students, those who are gonna prepare for the upcoming exam. Clear? So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Now I'm just gonna tell you about the Unacademy Plus, or the Unacademy Iconic subscription too. So as you will be familiar with the Unacademy Plus subscription, for the students, those who are targeting for the next CSIR Net Physics exam, right now many new courses are gonna start on Unacademy Plus. So guys, if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, and you want to prepare with all these important courses, okay, you want to know about the important strategies, concepts and tricks, then you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And even at this point of time, many new courses are starting for your upcoming exam preparation. Okay, even let's say if you have missed any course, some of the sessions, then in that case the recordings of those sessions will be available on Unacademy Learning app, and you will be able to cover up all those points too. Okay, so guys, whenever you are gonna take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription amount. In an Unacademy Iconic subscription, you will get many other benefits too, like the personal coach will be there for you 24/7. So anytime related to your exam preparation, you can ask about any of your doubts to the personal coach. There will be many other benefits you will get, like the study material, as well as you will get the practice set sessions. Okay, and many important things which will help you to take your preparation to a very good level, and to prepare very well with the guidance of top educators too. Okay, so even with the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can do a very good preparation as well, with the guidance of top educators, doubt clearing sessions, mock test and many important things. Clear? So if you want to attend the sessions, you want to get the guidance by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here, okay, and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.